Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Concerning the calculation objects, it's where we add calculation objects, working planes, work areas, areas of activity, room main surfaces, spaces, but these spaces we have it in light. We have it in construction as well. We can see it, it's spaces. Then you can add the emergency surfaces and the new feature in this DIALux 13 is obtrusive light objects. And then as for helplines and labeling, copy and arrange, views and project overview, you can find it in construction, in light, as well as in export. You can find views here. I will give you an example for you to understand this. I want to calculate the glare for the person sitting on this chair here. So I will choose a calculation point. I will place it here. Results will be discarded. Yes. I will place it in the z-axis in 1.2 because it's the average height of a certain person. Calculation parameters, I want to calculate the unified glare rating. And now I will run the calculations. It's 15.5, which is perfect because it needed to be below 19, and it is. On here, room main surfaces, I can automatically select room main surfaces. Yes. I can run the calculations. And everything is good. Like you can see, room main surfaces. Here they are. Because if I go to spaces and click here, click on edit to see what are the requirements of this standard, of the European standards when it comes to walls and ceilings. So the wall, the lighting should be 150 or more, the ceiling 100. And all these requirements are fulfilled here. It's why these lights are red. Well, are green. Normally, if these requirements are not met, then these lights here are red, sorry.
Great job. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.